A'udhu billahi minash shaitanir rajim. Bismillahir rahmanir rahim. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. Hello and warm welcome to all stakeholders of the global world. I would like to introduce myself. I am Atif Saleem but from Faisalabad, Punjab, Pakistan. You all are watching my YouTube channel. Kindly subscribe my YouTube channel and press bell icon for latest upcoming videos. Are you with me? Today I will elaborate you about occupational English language test. Let's start topic of the day through step-by-step procedure. I am moving towards step number 1, phase number 1. Occupational English language test. What is occupational English language test? This test is considered as one of the vital tests of the global world. It is recommended by the hospitals of the global world. It is a patient care test, medical job oriented test. Hope you will understand about the definition of occupational English language test. I am moving towards step number 2, phase number 2. What are the goals of this particular test? This particular test is used in research center, healthcare centers, hospitals, cardiac arrest center, daycare center, medical research center and other multitasking health-oriented activities in significant and magnificent manner with brilliance of sterling. You will be used some kind of specific hospital oriented terminology through this test. So it is vital for learning of everything. You all are always infusing for learning. I am moving towards step number 3, phase number 3. In this phase, I am sharing some kind of special vocabulary which is more oftenly using in healthcare centers and healthcare research centers. For instance, how are you? I am perfectly alright. I am feeling fantastic. I am feeling awesome and adorable. I am feeling marvelous. Are you feeling well? No, recently I am facing headache problem. I am facing gastroenteritis problem. I am facing liver problem. I am feeling sick. I am feeling diarrhea problem. I am feeling joint problem. I am feeling head and gait problem and multitasking other activities. The hospital staff is not oftenly using the word of death, demise. The hospital staff is using the word of score, specific word of score. Hope you will enjoy my lesson. Thanks to all of you. Love you all.